Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence and how you can make money with it in 2025. AI is transforming industries and creating new opportunities every day. Whether you're an entrepreneur, investor, or freelancer, there's something here for everyone. So, let's explore the top strategies for monetizing AI. Ready? Let's get started. First, let's talk about starting AI-powered businesses. Identify a niche. Look for areas where AI can solve specific problems. For example, in healthcare, AI can assist with diagnostics, while in finance, it can help with fraud detection. Develop your product. Once you identify your niche, create a minimum viable product or MVP. This is a simple version of your product that showcases its core features. Funding your startup. Consider seeking funding through angel investors, venture capital, or crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter. Present a solid business plan that outlines your revenue model and market potential. Real-world example. Many startups are already using this model successfully. Companies like ZocDoc and Lemonade have harnessed AI to disrupt traditional industries. Next, let's discuss investing in AI technologies. Stocks and ETFs. Research stocks of leading AI companies such as Google, Microsoft, and NVIDIA. These companies are at the forefront of AI innovation. Venture capital opportunities. If you have more capital to invest, consider venture capital. Look for promising AI startups in their early stages. Attend startup pitch events to meet founders and evaluate their business models. Diversifying your portfolio. It's essential to diversify your investments. Consider AI-focused ETFs that provide a basket of various AI companies, reducing your risk while still capitalizing on the growth of the sector. Freelancing and remote work with AI skills. Freelancing is another lucrative option for monetizing AI skills. Platforms to use. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr offer numerous opportunities for AI professionals. Whether you're a data scientist, AI developer, or content creator, you can find projects that suit your expertise. Skill development. Invest in your education by taking online courses in AI and machine learning. Platforms like Coursera and Udacity offer valuable courses that can enhance your skills and increase your earning potential. Building your profile. Create a strong profile on freelance platforms. Highlight your skills, showcase your portfolio, and gather testimonials to build credibility. Creating and selling AI-powered products. Creating AI-powered products can be a game changer. Software development. Identify specific problems that your software can solve. For example, an app that uses machine learning for personalized recommendations can attract a wide audience. AI art and content creation. Another exciting avenue is AI-generated art and content. Use tools like DALL-E or OpenAI's GPT to create unique pieces. You can sell these digitally on platforms like Etsy or your own website. Marketing your product. To succeed, focus on your marketing strategy. Utilize social media and digital marketing to reach your target audience effectively. Affiliate marketing with AI tools. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn passive income by promoting AI tools. Joining affiliate programs. Sign up for affiliate programs of popular AI products. Promote these tools on your blog or YouTube channel and earn commissions for every sale made through your referral links. Creating engaging content. Focus on creating valuable content that reviews or demonstrates the AI tools you promote. This will help drive traffic to your affiliate links. Building a niche audience. Consider specializing in a specific niche within AI, such as AI in healthcare or finance. This targeted approach can help you build a loyal audience. As we approach 2025, the opportunities to make money with AI are limitless. From starting your own AI-powered business to investing in technology, freelancing, and affiliate marketing, there's something for everyone. Remember to stay informed about the latest trends and continuously adapt your strategies. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What AI strategies are you excited to explore? Thanks for watching, and see you next time.